Hi, I'm Lottie and today I'm going to show you how to use Equigrow's soil conditioner. So this is Equigrow's premium soil conditioner. It is a straw-based manure. It helps improve soil structure, increase moisture retention and add vital nutrients. I'll show you how to use it now. So you empty out the premium soil conditioner in the area that you want. So this is where we're going to plant some vegetables. You spread it out probably like 3 to 4 inches approximately depth wise. All of the products are peat free and 100% natural, so there's no bulking agents in any of them. And then we can just dig it into our beds. So that is how I would use the Equigrow Premium Soil Conditioner to prep my vegetable and garden beds.